So, that was quite a Friday on Wall Street. Hey everyone, it's Saturday morning, October 11th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. Now let's get into it. Stocks got hit hard. The Dow Jones dropped almost 1.9%, losing more than 800 points. The Standard & Poor's 500 fell nearly 2.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite tumbled over 3.5%. The big trigger? President Trump fired off another tariff warning shot at China, and markets did not like it. He posted a long message saying he might cancel his upcoming meeting with Xi Jinping, claiming there was no reason to meet, and then teased a massive increase in tariffs on Chinese goods. That's on top of Beijing raising port fees on U.S. ships and opening an antitrust probe into a major American chip maker. China's also tightening export rules on rare earth minerals and stopping soybean purchases. So yeah, trade tensions are definitely back on the front burner. Experts say this could be painful in the short run, but might help the U.S. in the long term, though investors clearly aren't buying that optimism right now. With Friday's sell-off, all three major indexes are down for the week, snapping their record streaks. The market has been torn between excitement over artificial intelligence and worries about the ongoing government shutdown, which, by the way, is now in its 10th day. And since no new official data is being released during the shutdown, traders had to rely on private numbers, like the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Survey, which showed Americans still feeling pretty gloomy about jobs and inflation. Next week, though, it's all about earnings. Big banks like JP Morgan and Citigroup will kick things off. And the street is expecting softer results, especially with those tariff worries hanging in the air. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again Monday morning for more market updates. See you then.